Hi guys, I'm back smash fishing. About to go do some bass fishing today with the sidewinder lures. Starting off with the scary. It's a bloody cold day, that's why I'm wrapped up. My fingers are biting. We're at the top of the tide now. I'm going to be fishing the ebb. So hopefully the bass turn up, guys. Sidewinder were nice enough to send me some lures, so I'm going to give them a go in this video. So hopefully we can get a few fish, guys. So stay tuned. It's smash fishing. The ground I'm fishing over, guys, is really snacky ground. There's big gullies and inlets and stuff. A lot of bird life. Hell yeah, there's been a lot of birds on the left hand side here, so I'm going to start off here. So hopefully we can get some, guys. I'm starting off with a scary, like I said before. Hell yeah. I apologise if there's any wind noise, because look at the birds. Apologise if there's any wind noise, guys. I got a wind straight in my face today, so I'm going to give you the best I can. What I'm doing for the retrieve, guys, I'm just whipping it in quite quickly. I've got a lot of big boulders and pinnacles out there, and the bass, they usually lurk just in between them. I just got hit by a wave. It's all fun, guys. Woo! Hopefully they show up. Just heading over to the right hand side now, guys. Woo! Bloody cold standing in that wind, my hands are freezing. Whoa. It's a bit calm around here, and I'll have the wind behind me. Still rocking the scary. I might change over for something with a bit more distance on it. We'll see as the course of it goes. Here's the action, guys. I don't know if you can see that very well. What I'm fishing into out there, guys, I've got about 20 foot of reef, and then it makes way to sand. Oh, hitting rocks out there. Hopefully there's a few fish around. Nice to see one, that's for sure. Woo! Come on, fishies. Just changing it up a bit now, guys. I want something with a bit more casting weight, so what I'm going to do is chop and change to something with a bigger head on it. So I'm going to go for these. They're top heavy, so they might work a bit better. The water's not very murky, so we might get away with these. Worth a shot. These are the rattlebacks. Hell yeah. I'm gonna get this on. I'll be using the same sort of retrieve. I might even just start twitch pausing for a time, see how it goes. It's always good to vary your retrieves up and stuff, guys. You never know how you're gonna entice a bite. Hell yeah. Already I can see that this lure goes a hell of a lot further. Just that weight just in the head, it works well. Just makes it drift in the wind a lot better. Come on, Mr. Bass. Great action on these lures, guys, the rattlebacks. They're a bit smaller than I like, but they don't have to swim well. So I'm going to continue using it. I've had about 30 casts in this spot now with no joy. So I'm going to head to a different spot now. It'll take me about 10 minutes of riding, but we'll get there. Hey ho! Woo! The long nose are out in force. I've hooked a couple, but can't bloody land them. These are the hardest long nose I've ever fished for. on. Oh, they want it. They're just not playing ball at the moment, guys. Oh, well enjoying it though. Woo! What I'm doing is casting out and doing a really fast retrieve straight in, and they just come and slam it, but oh, come on, come on. Oh, they're just in a gully. I'm chucking it just on the edge of a reef, and I'm bringing it into a gully. And they come and just take it, but they're just not hooked. I can't get a good hook hold at the moment. Oh, come on. Oh, nearly. I'm gonna get one soon, guys. I'm determined, giving up on this spot. I got defeated by long nose. Bloody things, they're nipping at it the whole time, but just wouldn't take it. So I'm going to go around the other side and try and catch the ones down there. I'm on the warpath now. I want a bloody long nose. Not changing to anything too small, because just in case there's a bass around, I'd want it. So got to have my wits a little bit about you. You want to get a stray bass if they're there. Like I say, it's a good old Max Rat. That's all I'm using. But it's got nice small trebles on it, so well, usually they catch them quite well, but today they are being a nightmare to catch. Could do with a couple of these. Giving up on the long nose or garfish. They bloody defeated me, I couldn't be asked. So I'm going for good old scary eel, guys. I'm going to go to a different spot soon and see if I can get a wrasse. I know a spot where it's good for wrasse, and I've got some small eel imitation lures. So I'm going to give that a go. There doesn't seem to be many bass around here at the moment, but they could come in any time. Back to the good old scary. It usually whittles one out if there's one around. But more hopes for the other spot. So we'll find out, guys. Stay tuned. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Oh, he's pulling well. Come on, let's hope he don't come off. Oh yeah, come on. Fighting well. Not really sure how. What really felt. I'm not really sure how big this fish is. It looks good though. Oh, screaming some line. Screaming some line, baby. Woo! I'm not getting too excited because I want to see it. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Right, he's actually going, this one. Yeah, nice, that's a lovely fish, that one. Right, I need to find a place to land this, guys. How well's he hooked? Oh yeah, look at that. That's a beauty, guys. I get myself better composed in a better spot, get you a better shot. There you go, guys, on the good old scary. Hell yeah. I'm gonna keep him in this rock pool, get him unhooked. Hell yeah. Buzzing, baby. Woo! Just getting this fish unhooked now, guys. Ooh, come here, bad boy. Get him under control. There you go, guys. A lovely fish. A lovely fish. A lovely fish, shall I say? Hell yeah, buzzing with that on the good old scary. You can't beat that. And I get a few photos, get them released, guys. Woo! It's smash fishing. Been reviving in the rock pool a little bit, guys. That's it, about 4.5 pounder that one. Hell yeah, I'm gonna get him released now. Oh. Get you in the water there, my boy. And off he goes. Back down to the depths, guys. Woohoo! Let's go get some more. Hell yeah. The good old scary, you can't beat them, eh? I've definitely put a good old last dampener Couldn't catch a long nose, but we catch a bass. Hell yeah, guys. It's great fun. Hopefully we can get some more. All the retrievers, I'm just a slow, steady retrieve and a couple of tweaks. And then whammo! That fish gave a hell of a scrap. Nice to see a couple more come up, that's for sure. Stay tuned, guys. That was a great welcome surprise, that fish. Got my back to the wind as well, so hopefully there's not too much wind noise on the camera. Just got myself a coffee before when I rode here. This is a new spot. It's the one that I'm hoping to get a few wrasse on, but if we don't get any, I'm buzzing. I'm loving this. Woo! It's nice to get back into the bass fishing. I've been conger fishing and all sorts with Sam lately, so it's nice to just go out, a few lures, a few sidewinder lures, should I say, and yeah, just have some fun catching some bass. I've got a bit of sketchy bit to go through here, just here. I jumped the gullies onto the big platform, as there's a big reef around the other bit. Just over this rock there's a reef covered in weed and the bass hang around it. But at the moment I gotta get through this lot. It's a wee bit sketchy. But I really want to fish here, so I'll keep the coffee and rod in one hand and the other hand free, so when I fall into this big deep gully I'm not gonna be too hopefully not. Quick, go. Right, I'm back up, guys. Hell yeah! The reason for moving up here is I'm on a bigger platform over there. I'm getting hit by the waves and stuff, and I've got a total 180 of the bay here. So hopefully there's more fish just congregated. Fish on, guys. This feels a good one. Oh, come on. Oh, this one was giving a hell of a scrap. Oh, there he is. He's down the bottom. Come on, cruise it in, my boy. Cruise it in. Woo! Just a schoolie, guys. Hell yeah. That's what we wanted. Nice little shiner right there. Ooh, come here, little man. Come here. Don't spine me. There you go, guys. On the Skerry again. You can't go wrong with these. They're absolutely great. Ooh, come here, little man. Oh no, come here. Soaking me wet, yeah, I get it. There we go, guys. Another little bass. I don't want to drop him. I haven't got a rock pool underneath me, so I'm not going to take too much time. I just want to get him a little shy. On the Skerry again. Can't go wrong with these. It's another one about 2 poundish. The other one was a lot bigger. They engulf these things. There's so many sand eels in the water. That's what they're after. Hell yeah, guys. Can't go wrong. Woo! Buzzing. The fish here, guys. He might flap out my hands. I'm not too sure. Just gonna give him a little throw in. There we go, and he's off, guys. Woohoo! Let's go get some more. The Skerry's on fire. Hell yeah. Loving this. Hope there's a few more around. We've had one nice one schoolie, all on the Skerry. And I've been chopping and changing. I've tried all sorts, the rattleback, I've tried some of the bigger mackerel imitations. They're just not having much joy. I think it's because there's so many sand eels in the water. That's what they're primarily looking for. So I think I'm going to stick with the Skerry for a little bit, because I've picked wrasse up here on Skerries before. So hopefully we can get one. But for now, I'm just loving it. It's lovely to be back out lure fishing, baby. Woo! And switch it up again now, guys. I want to try a different lure, because some of the lures that Sidewinder has sent me I haven't used yet, so I just want to give them a go. Got these ones. I think I'm going to try these. These look great. I've never used these ones before, so why not? Why not? Oh, I'm loving this little trip. I haven't had a bass in a little while. Me and Sam went out the other night. He had one, but we couldn't get the we didn't get the fight on camera, which is a bit of a pain, but it's about 3-pounder. That's when you know a fish has started to go at it. Just reeling it in, I had a massive bump. And it's just master hook point. You get that with lures now and again. When the fish just doesn't take it properly, spins the tail round, straight into the hook. That's all for today's episode, guys. The good old scary works again, eh? Tried out all my little lures, all the ones the Sidewinder sent me, so big shout out to them. I'll leave the link to their website in my description if you wanted to buy any of these. Makes it easier for you guys. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope everyone's had a good Christmas. I'll be well on my bass fishing now, definitely. It's nice to get back into it. Been bait fishing for a while now. The setup I'm using is a Penn Regiment 2 spin rod. I think it's a 20 to 50 gram. Yeah, 20 to 50 gram. It's a 3000 size Penn Battle, I think. And Scary Hill, 20-pound braid, 20-pound leader. It's a uni to uni, the knot that ties them both together. I'll have to do a video to show you properly. But stay tuned, I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. It's nice to get back out, catching a few bass. There'll be plenty more to come. If you like my channel, like and subscribe. It's Smash Fishing.